Plant FAQs. Packera glabella, butterweed. What is Packera glabella? Packera glabella, commonly known as butterweed or Riddell's goldenrod, is a perennial plant that belongs to the Asteraceae family. It's native to North America and is known for its bright yellow flowers. This plant is particularly admired for its ability to thrive in a variety of environments, making it a versatile addition to gardens and landscapes. When does Packera glabella bloom in northern IL? In northern Illinois, Packera glabella typically blooms from late spring to early summer, generally between May and June. During this time, you'll be treated to its vibrant yellow blossoms that add a splash of color to your garden. The blooming period can vary slightly depending on local climate conditions and the specific growing environment. How to care for Packera glabella. Caring for Packera glabella is relatively straightforward. Here are some essential care tips. Sunlight. Packera glabella prefers full sun to partial shade. It thrives in locations where it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. It grows best in well-draining soil. While it can tolerate a range of soil types, ensuring good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot. Watering. Regular watering is important, especially during dry spells. However, avoid overwatering as this can lead to waterlogged soil and potential root issues. Fertilization. Generally, Packera glabella doesn't require heavy fertilization. A light application of a balanced fertilizer in early spring can help promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Pruning. Deadheading spent flowers can encourage prolonged blooming and help maintain a tidy appearance. How to propagate Packera glabella. Propagation of Packera glabella can be done through several methods. Seeds. Collect seeds from mature plants and sow them in a seed-starting mix. Keep them in a warm, sunny location until germination. Division. In early spring or fall, you can divide mature plants. Gently separate the root clumps and replant them in well-prepared soil. What to plant with Packera glabella. Packera glabella pairs well with various companion plants, including Echinacea. Their contrasting flower shapes and colors complement each other beautifully. Sedum. The texture and color of sedum create a nice contrast with the bright yellow of Packera glabella. Coreopsis. These plants have similar blooming times and look great together in a garden setting. Can you grow Packera glabella indoors? Packera glabella is typically grown outdoors and may not thrive well as an indoor plant. It requires ample sunlight and space to grow, which can be challenging to provide indoors. If you want to try growing it inside, ensure it gets plenty of light and is in a well-draining container. Is Packera glabella toxic? Packera glabella is not known to be toxic to humans or pets. However, as with any plant, it's a good practice to keep it away from small children and pets to prevent any potential issues. What are the benefits of Packera glabella? Packera glabella offers several benefits. Attracts pollinators. Its bright yellow flowers attract bees and butterflies, which can help pollinate other plants in your garden. Low maintenance. Once established, it requires minimal care, making it a great choice for low-maintenance gardens. Versatile. It adapts well to different soil types and light conditions, enhancing its suitability for various garden settings. Common problems with Packera glabella. While generally hardy, Packera glabella can face a few common issues. Pest issues. Watch out for aphids and other pests that might feed on the plant. Regular inspection and appropriate treatments can manage these problems. Disease. Root rot can occur if the soil is poorly drained. Ensuring good drainage is key to preventing this issue. Overcrowding. In densely planted areas, Packera glabella can become crowded, which may impact its blooming and overall health. Regular thinning can help mitigate this problem. How does Packera glabella compare to other similar plants? Packera glabella is sometimes confused with plants like solidago, goldenrod, due to its similar flowering period and appearance. However, while both plants have yellow flowers, Packera glabella tends to have a more rounded flower head compared to the elongated spikes of solidago. Additionally, Packera glabella generally has a more compact growth habit compared to some goldenrod species. Overall, Packera glabella is a fantastic plant for adding bright, cheerful color to your garden with minimal fuss. Its adaptability and low maintenance needs make it a reliable choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike.